This question asks, what if a circular portal, about 20 meters across, opened at the bottom of the Challenger Deep, and its far end appeared somewhere else, say over the Mars Curiosity rover? What happens on Earth when that hole opens? Surprisingly, not much dramatic immediately, even though the opening is enormous by human standards and water would rush through at incredible speed. The world's oceans are so vast that the mean sea level would drop by far less than a centimeter per day. You wouldn't see a single cinematic whirlpool swallowing continents. The drain is simply too small compared to the volume and depth of the basins. If we multiplied the effect, opening more or larger portals at the deepest trenches, the planet would slowly transform. As sea level falls by tens of meters, maps rewrite themselves, land bridges appear, islands join continents, and coastlines retreat. At a 50-meter drop, Great Britain, Sri Lanka, New Guinea, Java, and Borneo could become contiguous with neighboring land. Centuries of engineering might finally leave the Netherlands dry at around 100 meters. The Black Sea would become isolated and stop losing water at 200 meters and beyond. New islands and vast new landmasses emerge by 500 meters. Japan could be linked to the Asian mainland. Remove the top kilometer of ocean and continents swell, deep trenches remain as isolated basins, and formerly distant regions become connected by sweeping shelves of exposed seabed. When the draining eventually stalls, a surprising amount of water remains, mainly shallow seas and a handful of deep trenches a few kilometers deep, but sucking away a significant fraction of the world's oceans would utterly upend climate and ecosystems. Ocean currents, heat transport, salinity, and weather patterns would shift in ways that are difficult to predict. The result would almost certainly be a catastrophic collapse of marine ecosystems and mass extinctions cascading through terrestrial life as well. Could humans survive such a cataclysm? In principle, perhaps. Populations might move onto newly exposed continental shelves, exploit isolated deep basins, or engineer refuges. In practice, the logistical, ecological, and social obstacles would be enormous. The planet would be remade slowly, over centuries to millennia, with coastlines redrawn, climate swung into new regimes, and the biosphere left irrevocably altered.